Well, we've discussed my nature poetry, so now I'd like to talk about space poetry. I wrote my space poetry because although I will never go to space, it has fascinated me from a young age. The space program, the Planetary Society, they have all fascinated me, and I put some of that into my poetry. I've always been fascinated by the beautiful images that we get from the Hubble Space Telescope and all the beautiful images they portray in Star Trek, in Cosmos, and the images from the Astronomy magazine. They have inspired me to write poetry relating to those things. For instance, the dust columns start off as just a bunch of dust, but when the gravity increases, it coalesces and a star is formed. Once that star turns on, ignites, it blows the dust away. And I likened that in one of my poems to the nebular blankets being torn. It's just an image in my mind that inspires. From the early Mercury and Gemini projects to the moon landings to the present-day space station and the Mars rover, I have been drawn to space and the discoveries and potentials to come. I hope that you will realize your potentials and let your mind wander among the stars.